Okay guys, so I got this new multi-tool. As you can see, it's got a keychain. It's got pliers, or tweezers, whatever you call them. It's got, wait guys, this is difficult, okay. A knife. Okay. And it's got a easier to open bottle cap opener thing. And it's also obviously got a hammer. And it's got a keychain so you could hang it off something. It's made out of stainless steel and it's really strong, so if this lays out in the weather for about, I don't know, 2 to 3 days, if you don't find it for that long, it won't rust, obviously because it's stainless steel. But that's it all for today guys, bye.